Quick eats, budget treats, delicious dinners can't be beat. Korean nutritionator, subscribe.
Hi everybody, we are celebrating again tonight. Tonight we are having a pizza party, but the difference is it's a braai pizza party and we've already had a lovely time setting up the fire. And the coals are almost ready. We've got our pizza oven on the fire, and Ryan, in his craziness, decided to jump into the swimming pool. And that's been lovely as well. But tonight we are getting together to celebrate the best way to make pizza, which is by your own hand. So we've purchased our lovely dough, and we are busy, we are stretching the dough. Whatever you want to call it, we are not Italian, unfortunately. But yes, we are going to be pulling the dough and making it as round as possible, and we shall start putting our lovely delicious toppings on. So tonight we're going to do, I think, maybe 3, or if we're really pigs we might have 4. So we're going to start off with a lovely 3 cheese pizza, and yeah, you know, you've always got to have the garlic and chili bottom part, a little bit of that on the bottom, and we're going to put a little bit of the grated cheese on top. I'll show you just now when we finished pulling the pizza. This is what we have at the moment, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to try, and we're just going to add a bit of salt. And of course, my favorite in apartments, garlic pepper. Wunderbar, wunderbar, wunderbar. Oh, I'm looking forward to this. It's really going to be fantastical. And we're going to have a little bit of oregano. Just give it that Italian blend. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I have decided I'm going to take a little bit of this garlic and olive oil, and I'm just going to cast a few drops across. A little fabulous garlic taste. I think that's enough. And then, is this a very, very hot in the city chili base? Yes. No, don't go down that road.
Just a little bit.
Maybe just a tiny, okay, maybe just a drop of the oil, because you never know how dangerous this could be. It's extremely dangerous. Ha 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 ha. There we go. That's good. So just dust it across the top. Let's have some cheddar. Oh yes, that looks yum yum. Everybody, this is Danish feta. We don't mess around in this house, okay? We just love Danish feta. Proper Italian pizza, done beautifully by us all. Our first attempt is extremely exciting. Let me see. It's divine. at the last point of the night. This is the last bite, ladies and gentlemen. It has 40,000 sweets on it. And oh my word, here we go. Oh yeah. Not bad at all, darlings. Well done, my darlings. Well done. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Come back to our channel next time to see what we got cooking for you. Or maybe Brian.